Hi, welcome to Science Monday. A cool glass of lemonade on a hot day makes everything better, right? You can also use lemon on salads, fish, or to spark up a dessert. But did you know it is also a useful spy tool? Yeah, you could be a gourmet chef and a spy at the same time. And I will show you how. Today, we're gonna make an invisible ink marker. Let's get to it.
This is what you'll need. Sheets of paper, lemon juice, an old marker, and a heat source. It could be a lighter, your stove, or a heat gun. First, open up the back of your marker to get the ink container out and also the tip. Start washing them until you see there is no more ink left. They'll be ready when they're completely white. Next, start filling up the ink container with the lemon juice. Use a small plate underneath to collect all the juice you spill. This is not only to keep things clean, you will also use it to soak your marker tip in the lemon juice. Make sure both the tip and the ink container are really well soaked. Reassemble the marker, placing both the tip and the ink container in their place. Now you have a magic marker. Let's start writing secret messages. Use your marker to write or draw anything you want, just as if you were doing it with an ordinary marker. When you want to reveal the secret message, only apply heat to the paper. The acid molecules of the lemon juice will burn faster and turn darker than the rest of the paper sheet, revealing your secret message almost instantly.
Don't you just love it? Writing secret messages is the best. Try it out and secretly tell us how it went. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And also, find us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next Monday. Thanks for watching.